It is common to lump together no credit and bad credit, but they are two distinct situations. Your credit file does not contain enough information to calculate an accurate credit score for you if you have no credit. A low credit score, on the other hand, signifies bad credit. You have a low credit score due to negative items on your credit report, such as not paying your credit card bill. You may have difficulty qualifying for a loan when you have a bad credit score. You may also be charged a higher interest rate even if the lender approves your loan. The solution to not having credit is to take steps to establish credit. It is important to take steps to repair your credit score if you have a low credit score. How to establish credit for the first time? You need to find a credit card that will accept you if you do not have credit. Building your credit visibility has several options. You can add yourself as an authorized user to an existing credit card account. Using an authorized user card, you can benefit from someone else's good credit actions without being liable for any charges made. Consumers seeking to build credit can also use secured credit cards. Secured cards typically require a deposit that acts as your credit limit, usually a minimum of $200. In addition to allowing you to learn how to use a credit line, this prevents you from going overboard. In case you are unable to make your monthly payments, your security deposit acts as collateral. You get your deposit back once you graduate to a traditional, or unsecured, credit card. Steps you can take to positively impact a bad credit score. Monitoring your credit report is one step. The information on your credit report determines your credit score, and the smallest inaccuracies can negatively affect your credit score. Paying your bills on time is also imperative. Pay your bills by setting up auto pay or having money deducted from your paycheck automatically, whatever it takes to ensure that payments are always made on time. A credit builder loan can also assist you in reaching your goal. A credit builder loan is designed to help you improve your credit score. Credit builder loans are repaid to the lender in fixed installment payments and then deposited into your savings account at the end. The lender reports the monthly payments to the credit bureaus, which boosts the borrower's credit history. Is your personal information on the dark web? Make sure your identity isn't at risk.